Oh wow, this is more than I expect. Look at it, guys. This is so beautiful. The rugrat to your right. Oh, these kids would love this place, you know.
Bam, bam! Me I say maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment, and subscribe. Zam, bam! My mama.
Hi guys, welcome back my S&M family. So today I am going to American Dream with my friend Saki, and this is my first train, the first train I'm taking it to the city to meet up with her, guys. Hi guys. So here is Saki. Hi. Say hello. So me and my friend Saki, we are going to water park and we'll be taking you guys along with us. So this bus, we take it from the Port Authority bus terminal. We paid $12 on this bus, and it will be taking us to New Jersey. So that's the bus we just get off. And Saki. That is the lake, and we're gonna be heading that way. From ABC Park. So guys, it was about 10 minutes walk. We walked from all the way at the bus stop to over here.
Hi, this is me, all bling.
Check out my friend.
Yeah.
Check her out. Love that Air Force.
Right, true.
Hotness.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same song.
Alright.
That was said. Yeah.
So we are a walk. I go through the building. Rain look like rain is about to fall. This is a sign on the wall outside, close to the parking garage. It's beautiful. So guys, we are now in the parking lot and we're trying to find the entrance to American Dreams. There's a parking lot, guys. Looks over there. So now guys, we find ourselves inside the mall. We are going through that glass door over there, and we'll be taking you guys to look around with us. It is marvelous inside here, guys. Very nice, very nice. So over there is the escalator to take us to the next level, guys. So it is over there. Like, comment, and share up the video, guys. Share up the video. I'm now in the mall. I'm gonna be showing you. It's very nice. It's beautiful here. They have some. This gonna be the best shot. This is a nice water setting right here. guys. Really nice. The water park, but we tell them that a million times, but
We don't reach at the water
we don't
park.
reach
as
the
in.
water park.
We're trying to find it.
Right,
Because this
still
mall
walking.
is so huge.
Big, guys. So when we get there, we'll be showing you everything. We won't let
Yes,
you guys miss out on anything. So today is Saki's birthday treat.
Related.
Belated, right. And this is where she wanted to come. Looking from the outside, I was saying nothing not one for this place. But once we come inside, guys, as you can see, it's wonderful.
You don't want to leave. It's
Yeah, you don't want to
amazing.
leave. It's more than what I expected. I heard about it from about a year ago. Due to the pandemic, we weren't able to check it out. Purchase the ticket. We're gonna go up and find out the price. Locker, $15 for the medium and $20 for the large. So the locker look right. Right, so we finally reached the water park. Say hi to Saki.
Hi.
Yeah, we're at the water park. Look at that, that's beautiful.
Mr. Shrekky is trying to hug up Mr. Shrekky. Hi, Shrek. How you doing, Mr. Shrekky?
One of the pool guys. Also have the water slide, that's pretty. Oh wow. Yeah? Oh my god. The Lion King. Oh. And that's the pool behind us. Oh. Special. Yeah. Yeah, man, you're official. Stairs. And this is the room. Ooh. Water slide. Awesome. So walking up the stairs now, we are going to the water slide and we're carrying our float with us. Oh, you have to be fit to climb them stairs and that. Not easy. That's the ice skating.